Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. While I prepare another cool project and enjoy a couple days off, I leave you with the last month's donations from friends and subscribers. And starting right off, first is the Sega Manager gun from my friend João Souza. I know it's not complete, but it's still a super cool piece, so thank you João. Next, it's a donation from Joaquim Saramago. It's a couple games for PlayStation 2. First, it's a Gran Turismo 4, the 24, the game in a metal case, too cool, and inside a surprise, it's the IndyCar series without case. So, thank you again, Joaquim. This next box is from my friend and neighbor Honorato. As we talk about power supply for an Xbox 360, he says that he have one and will give it to me. But however, as you can see, he gave me more than the power supply. He gave me two Xboxes, one fully function with just a CD open problem and another one with the famous red light of death. Of course, he also sent me the power supply that I need, video cables and a nice surprise, a Game Boy Advance SP. So once again, thank you Honorato. This next box is from our friends and partners from the Xbox Original Portugal. So here we can see already a DVD remote controller for the Xbox Original, of course, and we also have two Duke controllers. This one is almost perfect and the second one is also in good shape. This second package from our friends on the Xbox Original Portugal, we can see it's also a controller from the Xbox Original. In this case it's a third-part controller but with a nice color. I think this have a problem in the B button, but I think I can repair it with no problems. This thing is really cool. And in this third and final box I can see already two more controllers for the Xbox. In this case it's the S model. As you guys can see, the first one is really in good condition, but the second one will need some repairs. So once again, thank you to our friends from the Xbox Original Portugal. I'll leave you the link in the description below if you want to join us on the Facebook. And the final donation is an amazing box from my childhood friend José Martins. It's quite disgusting, I know, but it's full of cool stuff. Starting right up, we got a super cool Sega Saturn. A little bit disgusting, as I told you, but I will make it shine again. Moving on, we have a Sega Mega Drive. In this case, it's the most uncommon version, is the high definition graphics and stereo sound. We got another gem, a really cool and uncommon version of a PlayStation controller in translucid blue. This thing is a beauty. Well, not yet, but will be. And in the box we also have two Sega Saturn controllers and two Sega Mega Drive controllers. They really need some TLC, but I will take care of that later. And for the final, but really important, we have the power supply for the Mega Drive. In fact, we have 3 power supplies. The first 2 I think it's for the second model, and this later one is for the Sega Mega Drive that I get in the box. So once again, thank you, Jose. And this is it, a bunch of donations, all of them amazing. Thank you all for keeping sending me stuff and help the channel grow. Stay tuned for the next videos to see what I can do with these amazing donations. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.